Ooh, she's a pretty lady. I'm sure we're all learning a lot about ourselves and our loved ones during this period of socially isolating or quarantining or socially distancing or whatever the heck it is that we're doing. Hey, quit scratching the couch! But one thing I've learned about me is that I hate mixing my own cocktails. Frankly, this bar sucks. The glasses are never chilled, the ice is cloudy, and the music is crap I've heard thousands of times before. I don't have a lot going on, but I really don't feel like squeezing limes every time I want a margarita. Luckily, there's a very simple solution to all this. You just need to pivot to being a wine drinker. Wine is great for several reasons. The first is ease. Everything comes already put together in a bottle. You don't have to do anything to it. It has far fewer tools and accessories. You just need an opener and something to drink out of. Also, a lot of your favorite restaurants and bars may be selling their supply, and it's a nice way to support them. One of my favorites, Enoteca at Nostrana, is selling a really lovely selections of both reds and whites at really reasonable prices. That sounds like an ad, but I'm really excited to drink these wines. Let's see what they are. One is this, which I've already shown you, which is in French. It's a red wine from France. That sounds nice. Let's see what else we got. Mani de Luta El Barato. It is an Umbrian wine. It is a red blend. That'll be fun. Domaine Felipe Tessier. You know what? I'm not even gonna try because my French is worse than my Italian. This looks like another red from the Loire Valley. That leads me to my next point. Wine isn't just drinking, it's a hobby. You're learning. You can download an app, you can learn new words, you can get very fancy with it. So it's something that'll not only get you drunk, but you feel like you're doing something like a little more productive with your time. So that's nice. Let's see, which one of these do I want to try? We got it! This is a white. I don't know why I thought it was... Did I say it was a red? It is a red blend. Oh, it looks orange. Oh! Ooh. This goes back to my my point about learning. We're all learning here. This is a learning experience. We're not just drinking. We're in school. Ooh, that's fun. That's a little funky. Cocktails suck. Long live wine. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock everywhere. Time isn't a thing anymore. See you guys around.